Excel structured references can be compared to the instruction manual of a Lego set, offering a clear and understandable guide to building your data masterpiece. They enable the quick and accurate creation of complex formulas, as well as the ability to change these formulas without the need to rewrite them. Furthermore, structured references contribute to the ease of understanding and debugging these formulas. This lesson will guide you through the process of creating such structured references, focusing on cells, columns, and ranges within a table. By the end, you will have the ability to build structured references, much like a Lego master builder. Open the exercise file for this lesson, 0502 structured reference.xlsx. Creating structured references in Excel is like naming the parts of your Lego set. Each cell, column, and range within a table can be identified with a structured reference, making your formulas easier to read and understand. Here's how it works. To reference a cell, use the table name and the column name like this. In cell I3, type equals, then the table name, which is FIFA results. There it is. So tab into it or double click to select it. Then open a bracket and tab into or double click the add this row specifier to select it. Then specify the column you want to pull data from. In this case, double click year. Then close the brackets and press enter. This is the equivalent of pointing out a specific Lego block from a set. This is the year in this row of this table. When you want to reference an entire column, just drop the add this row and use the table name and specify the column name. Let's reference the entire year column of the FIFA results table. Click on cell I7, type equal, then start typing the name of the table, FIFA. There it is. Double click or tab into it to select it, then open brackets. Next, specify the column you want to pull data from. In this case, double click year, close brackets, and press enter. Nice! Now you have the structured reference in one cell, and it has spilled the results for the entire year column of the FIFA results table. I love it. This is like referring to all blocks of the same type in your Lego set. Let's reference an entire table. Go to the worksheet named Entire FIFA Results Table and click on cell A1. Type the equal sign and the name of the table you want to pull data from. In this case, start typing FIFA. There it is. Double click to select it or tab into it. Open brackets and notice the auto suggestion working and revealing the available specifiers. Double click or tab into all, then close brackets, and voila! This works just like defining the box of blocks you want to use in your Lego construction. What's fantastic is that Excel is always ready to help you with auto suggestions as you start typing your structured references. It's like having your personal Lego instruction manual. Now that you have learned how to create structured references in Excel, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Return to the results worksheet and use structured references in cell J3 and J7 to retrieve the final champion data from the FIFA results table. Build your formulas with the same clarity and precision as a Lego master builder. Remember that structured references are key to creating understanding and maintaining your data masterpiece. Let's keep on learning.